Welcome in this video. Video title is Elevate Your Outdoor Space, Inspire Balcony Design Idea. Introducing a balcony is a versatile stand of your living space, often a unique outdoor retreat where can unwind, entertain guests, or simple enjoy the fresh air. However, maximize the potential of your balcony request thoughtful design and create whether you have a simple open balcony or a space triple. Those are contactless war to transforming it into a style and functional oasis. We explored inspired balcony idea to help you make the most of this vibrant outdoor space. Vertical gardening paradise, transforming your balcony into a lush oasis with a vertical gardening wall movement, plants and bearing and trellis to create a gardening sanctuary filled with flower hub and food. Again, not only do not a vertical gardening add natural beauty to your balcony, but it also enhances air quality and provide a scene of tranquility. A choosy red note create a choosy red note on your balcony by add a comfortable long chair or a hip account by soft pillow and through install a smart yard table to hold your favorite book or cup or tea, or red lamp for every relax, incorporating outdoor gum and cabin, two different day space and add privacy. Outdoor entertainment hub create a style outdoor entertainment hub on your balcony which you can host gardening and sport the with guests invite in comfortable set other shirts and more soft long chair and optimum to accommodate visitor installed by Burn Cook to keep drink chair and elements such as throw pillow range and outdoor artwork maximizes Oasis. Embracing the maximalizes appear to balcony design by functional on clean line, simplicity and functionally other for sleep and streamline furniture price such as fold chair and compact dining table and a strain barriers to maximize space effect. Keep the color pattern nature and uncut and incorporating pillow, plants and simple decor account of a scene and contemporary look. Conclusion. Your balcony have the passion to be a so much more than just a space for sleep outdoor functional hub